Hello everyone, today I'm going to be discussing net profit margin. So net profit margin is the percent of revenue a company captures as net income. Net profit margin measures the amount of net income for every dollar generated of revenue, and the equation is going to be net income divided by revenue, both of which can be found right on a public company's income statement. So an example of net profit margin in real world use. So if a company has a net profit margin of 8%, basically what that means is for every $1 a company does in revenue, that company keeps 8 cents as net income. So after all expenses are paid, after all wages, all labor, all taxes, all just any expenses that the company pays at the end of whatever net income they have, in this situation, they would have 8 cents as net income because their net profit margin is 8%, that ratio there. And net profit margin is very different by industry. So there really isn't a one size fit all net profit margin that can be applied to all companies. So when looking at a company's net profit margin to kind of determine if they are in a good spot in terms of net income generation, it's best to compare it to the industry average. So down here, I listed just a couple common industries as well as the net profit margin for that industry. Retail has a really low net profit margin at about 4% average. This is going to be your stores like Walmart, who really have a business model of getting their prices as low as possible. So I believe Walmart's net profit margin is like 2 or 3%. So they really try and skim their prices as low as they can, to try and win over consumers versus them going to other places with a little bit higher prices like Target. And then we have commercial banking, much higher here at around 15%. And then logistics, kind of in the middle there at 6%. So when looking at a company's net profit margin to see if it's really a good net profit margin or if they're in a good spot compared to the industry, always check the industry average for their net profit margin to make that comparison. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.